Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another exciting video for ticker symbol MULN, which is for Mullen. It was up by 5.4% Friday, and after hour another 4.3%, in total 10% on Friday. Very nice. We know it came down for last few days, like last 5 days you can see it was coming down, but Friday it nice move. And also there was an interview on Friday. I shared the link with everyone and the stock moved nicely. So anyway, in this particular video, I want to talk about the option chain activity, the short interest, the support, resistance, and trade plans if you want to make some money with this particular one. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So the good thing is, if you look at last Friday, all US exchange volume leaders, number one is ticker symbol MULN, which is for Mullen, 142 million. Okay, 142 million shares. Lot of share coming almost each and every day. That's a nice one. Okay, I really love this particular one. You can also see some other names, ATER, SBFM, and these are the names we always play. Like an example, like Mullen came late, but pre-market we made a list for our day trading. We had some entry exit for some tickers, and you can see that BFRI moved almost 19% from our entry. Ticker symbol SST 18% from our entry, and also MDVL almost 45% from our entry. If you want this kind of like pre-market live and morning alert for entry exit for different ticker symbol, please join my Patreon. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description box. Just $9 per month. Join my community, get access to my Discord, and let's make money together. Okay, give it a try, I would suggest. So anyway, let's talk about ticker symbol MULN. So we know that the Hindenburg, they did a short selling report, short seller, right? We know them. So they said they are short on Mullen and everything. We know about it, right? They talked about many different things because Mullen's supposed to sell some EV van to a major Fortune 500 customer, and they don't believe it. Then they also said that Mullen, they don't have any van. They're using a Chinese van with the logo on top. Just a few other things, right? So the good thing is, if you look at the price action, that thing actually brought the market price down, but it was not down that much. It came around 2.3, it held it, then again it was coming down all the way to 2.1, and you see then from 2.1 a nice move all the way to 2.8, a very nice price action. So I will come back to the chart. I will talk more about the chart, but let's look at few other things. So if you look at the volume on last Friday, it was 229 million volume compared to its average volume of 142 million. So very nice volume came on Friday. Nice looking thing. In terms of the daily chart, you can see whenever volume comes, this thing moves. Few instance, it had more volume than 400 million. So the price is on the upper side. If we get more volume like 200 million, 300, 400, I think we will see a nice surge on the upside. Very exciting. Also, this is a Ortex report. I just said it from somewhere. So it says that currently the short interest on Mullen is 25%. The cost to borrow for shorting is 370%. Very high. 1.93 million shares are shorted. So these are really nice things. If you see lots of volume coming, then definitely Mullen is a very good candidate for a short squeeze. If I go to shortablestock.com, saying the same thing, the borrow fee rate is not 300, but it's saying 215%. Still very high. In terms of number of shares availability, it was 000 most of the time. End of the day, only 95,000 shares are available to short. Still, this is not very significant to me. Then we have Fintel, almost the same thing it will say. I can go down, but let's look at the option chain activity, which I'm more interested in option chain. So the nearest option expiry date is 14th of April, and you can see the concentration around 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and even $10. Maybe this is too far, but if Mullen can go over 3, 3.5, or even 4, all of these options will be in the money and they will be exercised. So there should be some push towards the price. And do not forget, next week is a short week, only 4 days, no Friday. So it will be a short week, but definitely I will keep an eye on Mullen because price might move, and if these things are if these call options becomes in the money, there will be lots of buying pressure. So I'm very excited looking at the option chain activity. Look at the option versus the put. Okay, so lots of things with call option. If you are not sure, if you want to take more time, you can also take other expiry date, maybe 1 week later, or you can choose our next monthly expiration date, which is 20th of May. If you think it might take some time, still you can take a $3 strike price with $45 per option. Get in, make some money, get out. We just care about making money. But anyway, so let's go back to the chart now. I talked a lot of things. Now let's look at the chart. So first of all, if you look at the chart, MULN from since 3.5, it was on a downtrend, right? So recently, not recently, last Friday, it broke the downtrend. It went up, came down, but it bounced from this black line. Okay, that's the good thing. As long we can maintain that thing, we are happy. The other thing some people might see on the short hand side that, okay, this is the uptrend, right? So Friday, it moved a lot, but it is on an uptrend. It is making higher lows. So we have to keep an eye on this. Some people also love to draw this kind of chart. Okay, we are building a symmetrical triangle. If we can go upside, we can break 2.6. Maybe we will retest 2.8 and 3. On the other hand, if we break, we can come down. So anyway, you can make a lot of line, but let's look at a bigger picture, okay? And if you do not know anything about MULN, then you should know that this stock can move a lot. That stock was $10, $11, came back all the way. Recently it moved to 4.15, and now it is moving these ways, okay? So if I look at a bigger picture with 1 hour chart, what I see, let me show you what I see here. So if I draw a line something like this on a bigger picture, 1 hour time frame, still we are on a downtrend. We are making lower highs, okay? Maybe within the day we are moving 10%, 15%, but still we are on a downtrend. But the good thing is, look at this particular area around 2.3, acting like a good support. 2.3, $2, this area I would say should be a very, very strong area to hold this particular one. So if the price comes back to $2, I expect a nice bounce, because 2 has been, it was a resistance, it became a support. So 2 should be a good support. If not 2, I'm also looking towards 2.2, 2.3 area. You can see many times it came to 2.2, 2.3, and it bounced back. So if you want, you can also wait for this to come back. If you want to establish a position at 2.2, 2.3, play for a bounce all the way to 2.5 something. But in bigger picture, once we break this black line, we go over that, then this is the main thing. We can say, okay, we are out of the downtrend. So keep an eye on the price action. So this is how MULN is looking like. Some people, even me, like if I just draw a triangle like this, you see the 2 black line here, maybe it will come down and it will bounce back. But definitely the option chain activity is very, very heavy. I'm expecting a big move this week. I'm very excited. Okay, so I have shares, I have options. I'm just waiting for this to go. Either way, I just want to make some money. Okay, so in terms of entry, let's have a 3-minute thing. So here you can see that around 2.4, these areas was holding last Friday. So in case it comes to 2.4, maybe you can expect a bounce from here. If not 2.4, we have 2.3, we have 2.2. Okay, on the other hand, if it goes higher, 2.6 is the area we should be looking for breaking, because this might be a resistance, because you can see that it was a resistance, it became a support, then it became a resistance. So 2.6 we should be looking at. After that, definitely we will go towards 2.8, 3, and so on. But very, very exciting. When I look at the option chain activity, I'm super pumped. So let's have option chain activity again. So 3 strike. If it goes to 3, we have 13,000 open interest still. So at least it goes over 3. That's the biggest thing. If you go down here at the put, not a lot of put here. Okay, so 2 strike, just 2,800. So anyway, just trying to give you some sense that okay, things are setting up nicely. We need volume, it needs to go higher, and lots of people are talking about MULN on social media. As long volume is coming, this thing will go higher. Again, it's a short week, so what I see before the long weekend, normally the last day we see a market sell-off, so keep that in mind. And always, if you're day trading, have a stop loss. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just presenting the information to you so that you can take your own decision and you can play by yourself. Okay, so anyway, if you find this video useful, like the video, subscribe to my channel for more update, share the video. At the same time, if you like this kind of morning alert with entry exit for different ticker symbol, you can see each morning I come online, I give an entry, exit, and profit target. I also come live at 9 o'clock to discuss about the plays, and it costs only $9 per month. For the VIP, $25 per month. Give a try. Hopefully we can make a lot of money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.